Arch American 1087 is 1.9, we're climbing 3,000, right turn 180.
American 1087, pro departure, radar contact, climb maintain 10, 10,000.
Climb to 10, 10,000, American 1087.
American 1087, clear Nubble and rejoin the Nubble for departure.
Stand by, we're experiencing an engine fire. We're going to declare an emergency at this time. We'll let you know. We're going to maintain our present heading, and we're going to level at 3,000.
American 1087, roger.
American 1087, we'd like to accept radar vector for return to Portland. We've secured our engine. We'll be emergency aircraft landing Portland.
American 1087, roger, turn right heading 310, vectors to visual approach 11.
Right turn 310, visual approach 11, American 1087.
And I guess I can operate to you if you want to do a shorter route. I can bring you into the left base for 29.
The wind was favoring 11. We'll stick with 11. We've got some other procedures to run.
Roger. American 1087, when able, fuel and SOS on board, please.
Stand by on that, but we'll be right back with you.
American 1087.
American 1087, Brawling guys.
Yeah, roger. We're 116 souls on board and 134 point. Correction, we've got 17.2 for fuel.
American 1087, thank you. And American 1087, just advise when you're ready to start the descent.
We will do, and if you could go ahead and just have a crash rescue waiting just in case.
Yeah, we're going to have it all for you.
Copy, thank you.
American 1087, you make the traffic 10 o'clock, 3 miles northbound, 3,400 feet in a climb is a arrow, going to be no factor.
Copy, thank you very much. And we're getting this straightened out. We'll be back with you in just a minute.
Yeah, no problem.
And Tower, can we take a turn right over to the lake?
American 1087, that's approved as requested. Just advise when you're inbound for the airport.
And copy, will do.
And American 1087, just be advised if you approach the lake on the northeast side of the lake, the only thing I am showing object-wise, 2,100 feet is a tower.
Copy, thank you very much. We're just going to keep this altitude. We'll get this finished up and we'll call you in just a minute.
Roger. American 1087, continue the right turn heading 200.
Right turn 200, American 1087.
American 1087, descend pilot's discretion to maintain 1,800.
Our discretion 1,800, American 1087.
American 1087, disregard. American 1087, just advise when you get to the airport, 10 to 11 o'clock, 12 miles.
American 1087,
American 1087, turn right heading 210.
Right turn 210,
American 1087, just for your planning, last arrival reported a straight crosswind of 10 knots, 500 feet.
Thank you, American 1087.
American 1087, I'll return onto the localizer here if you don't pick up the airport 10 o'clock at 10 miles.
Yeah, it's hard to pick out of the ground clear. Just put us on American 1087. We're pretty sure we have it. We prefer a turn on the low.
Yeah, no problem. American 1087, turn left heading 130, intercept the localizer.
Left turn 130, intercept 1087. American 1087, that's field set.
American 1087, cleared visual approach 11, Quebec Tower 120.9.
So visual approach 11, American 1087, thank you. Tower American 1087, one emergency aircraft, visual approach 11.
American 1087, Portland Tower, continue inbound. There's a vehicle on your runway sweeping for one last check. I'll have your clearance in another couple miles.
As American 1087, the minimum missed approach, we'd like to request runway heading to a minimum vectoring altitude, and we tend to stop on the runway to be evaluated by crash fire rescue. We had an intermittent indication of engine fire right-hand side.
American 1087, you can expect that, and in the event of a missed approach, It will be fly runway heading and maintain 1,800.
November, Mr. Approach, fly runway heading, climb to 1,800, American 1087.
American 1087, wind 180 at 8, runway 11, cleared to land.
Call line 11, American 1087.
American 1087, you can hold there, and the ARF vehicles are on their way out to you now.
Okay, we're going to hold our position and wait for coordination with our 1087. We had an indication after liftoff of engine self-fire right side, right engine. We no longer have that indication. We're looking for your report on heat signature, if you see any damage. Ultimately, if you don't see anything, taxi the gate, you have 45 years by your book. Okay, we suspect a bleed leak. We're going to shut the right engine down, and then we're going to taxi into the gate using the power of the left engine. If you can just support us to the gate, we'd appreciate it. Thank you.
American 1087, taxi to the ramp via turn left on Charlie, turn left on Alpha.
All right, left turn Charlie, left turn Alpha, taxi to the gate. Thanks for that.
You're welcome.